air bubbles in there?
Yeah, you think, eh?
awesome, bro.
That was badass. Did he?
Yeah.
Is there a camera on there?
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa. What are you doing?
What way? Oh. Sorry, man. I can't walk that fast.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah.
You were here for it, weren't you?
Where's the camera? I don't see a camera.
Under the left wing.
Oh shit, there is.
Yeah, it's listening to every word.
Fucking zip tied and everything. There you go.
What's wrong? What's with the limp?
Stunt man walk like me.
I'm not there.
You want to jump and dick your leg now?
No, I learned my life.
Well, I'll be doing it again in another week or so if you want some more.
Oh, no.
Because they had like all that scaffolding up there.
The doctor said I could jump again in another week or two.
Yeah?
Yep. I asked the doctor if I could jump. He said, yes, sir.
You're not from around here, are you?
That's still recording, right?
Have you ever been to...
I think you're still recording. I think you got something.